Hey guys, I'm Ryan Becker with the Jason Whittle All-Pro team. I'm excited to show you our newest listing here at Compass Pointe Condominiums. This condo sits at the 19-mile marker Lake of the Ozarks and is centrally located in Osage Beach. Let's go check it out. So this walk-in level condo has roughly 1,274 square feet with 2 large bedrooms, 2 full bathrooms. Not only does it come fully furnished, but it also includes a 14 by 36 foot boat slip. Thanks for watching. For more information or to schedule a showing, you can call our office at 1-800-836-2005. Thanks and have a great day.